Before the journey begins, every pomegranate grows under the gentle morning sun in orchards like this.
Here, each fruit develops naturally, gaining its rich color and distinctive sweetness.
After harvesting, the fruit is collected into crates, each one filled with carefully selected pomegranates. With care and precision, the harvest is loaded for transport to the processing facility.
After the long journey from the orchard, the freshly harvested pomegranates finally arrive at the processing facility.
Every pomegranate is carefully inspected by hand to ensure only the highest quality fruit continues into production.
With the fruit cleaned and sorted, the next stage prepares each pomegranate for careful extraction.
Once sliced by the automated system, the pomegranate halves move forward toward seed separation, where the
After gentle separation, the vibrant ruby-red pomegranate seeds move toward the press, where their pure juice will be carefully extracted.
The freshly pressed juice is immediately guided through a filtration system to remove pulp while preserving its naturally rich color. Every batch of pomegranate juice is tested to ensure its purity, clarity, and naturally vibrant color. Before filling begins, each bottle is carefully sterilized to ensure the juice stays fresh and protected.
After each bottle is precisely filled, it moves toward the capping line, where every seal is applied with accuracy and care.
Each bottle is scanned to confirm a perfect seal, ensuring freshness and purity in every single unit.
Once each set of bottles is securely wrapped, the packs are transported to the palletizing area for organized stacking.
Each tray of pomegranate juice is stacked carefully by hand, keeping every layer organized and secure.
With the pallet securely wrapped, the pomegranate juice packs are now ready for storage and shipment to retailers.
In the dispatch area, each pallet is organized and prepared for shipment, ensuring our pomegranate juice
Pomegranate juice remains secure and undisturbed during loading. With the pallet safely secured inside the truck, the shipment is ready to begin its journey.
From the orchards to your hands, every bottle of pomegranate juice is crafted with care and delivered with pride. Thank you for joining us on this journey.